Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to me today. In this video I just wanted to show you a nice looking blue pinkish eyeshadow look, as well as my new, okay, not new, but the foundation routine that I have started to use, and it's really good. Yeah, so if you want to see all that, keep watching. So this foundation routine is okay. Every professional makeup artist that I know uses it. So many people have said to put that into their makeup routine. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys how it's done. It has also been a TikTok hack, but that's for another day. Yeah. So first of all, what you need is a moisturizer, and I'm using the Garnier Intensive 7 Days Ultra Replenishing Lotion. Yeah, and this is for very dry skin where my skin falls. Yes, I'm just going, not too much, just a little. Then the second thing is to use a primer. This is Freedom Professional Makeup London, and this is the oil control base. So the next step is to go in with a powder, and I'm using my usual. This is the Black Opal powder. You don't need too much, you're just trying to set everything on your face. I did try this routine in my 5-minute makeup challenge. If you haven't seen that, I'll put it up there. Then you're going to use a setting spray. This is the Freedom Makeup Setting Spray. You can use any setting spray that you have, it doesn't really matter. So as that dries down, I'm going to do my brows off camera and we'll be back. Okay, so I did my brows and I just put some concealer to act as my base. Now I realized that the next step for the foundation routine is actually putting on foundation, but I want to do my eyeshadow before. Yes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. This is a gorgeous palette with very bright and really pigmented eyeshadows. Eyeshadows are amazing, they're really pigmented. Okay, so now I want to swatch the shimmer shades. There's Togo. Oh guys, what is not happening here? Okay, that's Togo, Contour, something like that. And there's Angelique. Ooh. Okay, and then there is Fifi. This is Coffee, guys. Yeah, I don't know how to swatch, but yeah, those are the shimmer shades in the Afrique palette. Okay, so first off, I'm going to set my eyes with a bit of powder. We don't want no creasing, we don't want lines to form. Going with this shade. This is the Huda Cosmetics palette, and I just want to use this pink shade here. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Just want to blend that out as well. Going with a brush and hold the end towards the end, so you're just kind of blending it out. Next, I'm going in with this purple shade. This is Bintu, something like that, and put that in the outer corner right here. Well, these look the same, but this one is darker. I don't really want to do a cut crease, but I just want to make my next eyeshadow like pop. Then I'm going to use that blue shade that's called Divo. So yeah guys, don't forget to keep blending. You have to keep blending till you get tired. And yeah, just take your time doing this. I don't want to put any eyeliner on. I just want to put on lashes, like directly. So for today's lashes, I'm using the Rimmel lash. Yeah, I did a video on how to put on lashes. Go and watch that up there. Lashes are like the hardest thing to wear, but yeah, you'll get it. I'm using the Duo eyelash glue. This is one that dries black. So as I wait for my lashes to dry, okay, they're dry.
One eternity later.
Lashes are like the hardest thing to wear.
So next up, after the foundation routine, remember you moisturize, then primer, then some bit of powder and setting spray. So next up, I'm going to use my usual, the Black Opal. Then I will go back in with that blue shade and I'll put that on my lower lash line. Then for my inner corner, I'm going to use that shade Fifi, pinkish purplish shade. And yeah, that's it guys. This new foundation routine base that I have tried out is working really well for me. It's better than what I used to do, so I'm happy to add that onto the new slot of new techniques. Yeah, and this eyeshadow look is just a simple purple and blue look. I just wanted to try it out, and yeah, I hope you guys can also try it out as well. I hope it's easy to follow. Yes, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Don't forget to like it and tell me what other videos you want to see. That is also really helpful. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.